Episode 19, Xavier's Writings and Correspondence. Hello everyone. In this episode, we dwell into the remarkable writings and correspondence of St Francis Xavier. Xavier's extensive collections of letters and theological texts provide invaluable insight into the mission works, spiritual insights, and the broader context of his era. Exploration of Xavier's writings and correspondence. St Francis Xavier was an ardent writer. His writings, including letters and theological texts, offered a profound understanding for his experience, challenges, and spiritual growth during his missionary endeavors. Xavier's collection of letters forms a significant part of his written legacy. These letters were addressed to his fellow Jesuit authorities and friends, offering a glimpse into his thoughts, struggles, and the challenges he faced during his mission. Theological texts and writings. In addition to his letters, Xavier penned various theological texts. These writings addressed doctrinal and spiritual aspects, shedding light on his theological perspectives and the religious context in which he worked. Significance of his writings in understanding his mission work. Xavier's writings provided a unique perspective on his missionary journeys, detailing the landscapes, cultures, and challenging encounters, as well as his endeavors to spread Christianity in various regions. Insights into Xavier's spiritual journey. Xavier's writings reveal his spiritual growth and the development of his faith. They showcase his deep devotion, inner struggle, evolving understanding of the Christian message, and his application in diverse contexts. Contextual understanding of his missionary challenges. Through his writings, Xavier's challenges ranging from language barriers to cultural differences and vividly depicted. These accounts offer insights into the difficulties he faced while trying to establish Christianity in unfamiliar territories. Influence of Xavier's writing on future missions. Xavier's writings have had a profound influence on subsequent missionary efforts. They serve as a guide for missionaries, offering lessons and strategies applicable to diverse cultures and religious landscapes. Legacy of Xavier's writings in modern understanding. The legacy of Xavier's writings endures, serving as primary source for understanding his era, the development of the Catholic Church, the complexities, the triumphs of missionary works. St. Francis Xavier's writings include letters and theological texts, offer invaluable insights into his mission works, spiritual growth, and the challenges he encountered. They serve as a treasure trove for understanding the complexities of his era and the development of Christian mission. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Xavier's writings are a profound testimony to his dedication, struggle, and the unwavering faith that fueled his missionary endeavors.